Today I am here in front of you to take a seminar about computer networks. Before going to topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Maheshwari from Asifabad, Komaramim district. Present pursuing BSc Data Science in TSWRDC Bhupalapalli. Without waiting, let's get start our topic. Today my topic of seminar is all about computer networks. Before going to learn computer networks, actually what is network? Network is nothing but a group of two or more electronic devices linked to each other. Electronic devices means the devices run free electron movement by taking charges as a current. That type of device is known as electronic devices. For example, today I am here shooting this video with the help of my mobile phone. You are all listening this video, some may be with the help of mobile phone, some may be with the help of laptop, some may be with the help of computer, and some may be with the help of tab. The connection of this phone, laptop and the tab is known as network. And coming to computer network is defined as a two or more computers linked together for exchanging data or information or resources. Why we need network? We need network for exchanging of information or data or resources. So, exchanging of data, information and resources through the computer is known as computer network. The connection of computers for exchanging of information is known as computer network. I think you are all clear about what is computer and what is network. Now coming to the computer network is mainly classified into four types. The first one, PAN. PAN stands for Personal Area Network. And the second one, LAN. LAN stands for Local Area Network. And the third one, MAN. MAN stands for Metropolitan Area Network. And the last one, WAN stands for Wide Area Network. Coming to PAN, Personal Area Network. By this heading only we can understand what is Personal Area Network. The Personal Area Network is a small network built around an individual or a person. In simply we can say that this personal area network can be used by only one person. For example, a laptop network connection can be used by only laptop user. In the same way, mobile and computer and the tab network connection can be used by that user only itself. If we connect laptop to headphones, it is a wireless media. The personal area network can be wired or wireless media. If you want to connect the laptop to headphones, it is a wireless media. That can be used only by one person. If we want to connect the laptop to our mobile phone, we want to use a USB connector. That is a wide media. That can be used by only one person. LAN, Local Area Network. A local area network is a group of computers or peripheral devices. Here, peripheral devices are mouse, keyboard and monitor, etc. These group of computers and peripheral devices connected in a small geographical area such as house, building or office is known as local area network. For example, in office, this is an office. In office, all the systems are connected by a network. From router box to all the systems are connected. If we go away from that office, we can't get that network. So such type of network is known as local area network. The local area network can cover up to 10 meters, 100 meters to 1 kilometer. And types of LAN. LAN is further classified into ARPANET, Ethernet, Token Ring and FDDI. FDDI stands for Fiber Distribution Data Interface. Now coming to MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network is a network consists of different LANs throughout the large geographical area such as city. In city consists of home, office, schools and buildings. As I said, in homes we use LAN type of network. In the same way in office, school and building we use LAN type of network. So the combination of all these LANs is known as MAN. In simply we can say that the combination of all the LANs is known as MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. A metropolitan area network can be covered up to 10 kilometers. One, WAN. WAN stands for Wide Area Network. A wide area network is a network that can cover a large geographical area such as state, country or entire world. The wide area network can cover up to entire world. Their wide area network can cover up to 100 kilometers to 1000 kilometers, such as entire world. So simply we can say that the combination of all LANs and WANs is known as WAN. Now let us discuss the summary of these computer networks. And first, PAN, personal area network, can cover up to square meters, and the LAN, local area network, can cover 10 kilometers, 100 kilometers, 10 meters, 100 meters and 1 kilometer. And coming to MAN, MAN can cover 10 kilometers, and the last one WAN can cover up to 100 meters and 100 kilometers to 1000 kilometers. From WAN network we get MAN network has our city cell towers, and MAN network too we get LAN network has router boxes in office and homes, and LAN too we get PAN has our mobile data connection. That's it. That's all about my today's topic. I think you all are understand what is computer network. Thank you for this attention. I hope you all are safe by following COVID protocols. Stay home, stay safe.